Hey, Beanie, come here with these pretty flowers. Come here, come here. Come here, come here, look, look. Ew, mud, I see. But you would have been so... You're a pretty boy. It is Sunday morning, and he is going for his walk. I don't know, walk, run, jogs. I don't know what we're doing, but he's doing it, and I don't know. I just thought somebody might want to see it. Charlie Bear? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was what you thought. Hate me for it. I don't know. It's a normal function. I do it. If that surprises y'all, sorry. Hey, Bubba Butt. Hey, Beanie Bear. Hey, Bubba, I love you. I love you.